Hi, and welcome to the course introduction for our UCSD La Clase Maca and San Pasqual collaboration for this writing enrichment course. My name is Caroline Collins, and I'll be your course instructor for the next 10 weeks. So what I'm going to do now is just very briefly go through an overview of the course so you have an idea of what to expect during this 10-week process. Now, the major goal of the course is to help you to improve your writing skills. And the way that we're going to do that is by having you use the everyday real life writing tasks that you're already tackling on a daily basis. So, whether you have to write a resume or a cover letter or engage in some type of business correspondence or write a grant application, you're going to take those everyday writing tasks that you're already encountering and using those as your major assignments to move through the course in order to increase your professional and or academic writing skills. Now the way we're going to deliver this course is through what's called a blended learning environment, which means we're blending two types of platforms. One is an online class, which is what you're encountering right now in Google Classroom, and that's how you and I will connect most of the time. And then there will also be a face-to-face component in the writing lab that will take place at the computer lab there at San Pasqual. At those writing labs, that's where you'll have a chance to interact with your other classmates and peers to review one another's work, to work through some course assignments if need be, and you'll do that under the guidance of a course TA. So I'm going to quickly walk you through Google Classroom very quickly. If you're watching this video, you've already successfully logged in. So I'm just going to point out just a couple of things. Here on this About page, this is where you can see some of the nuts and bolts of the course, and this is also where you'll find the course syllabus. Now, I'm not going to walk you through this very closely. You can do that on your own, and also we're going to be going through it very extensively in our first face-to-face, so I won't waste your time with that right now. But I do want you to see this is where the syllabus is. This is where you find out what your required core activities are in order to receive your certificate of completion, and also what it is that we're going to be looking at on a week-by-week basis. But I do want to make sure that you quickly see the course schedule here, which lets you know what to kind of expect on a weekly basis. So every Friday we'll be uploading these lectures and any other media content that I think might be helpful for you to take a look at. And then we ask by late Tuesday night you do submit some type of quick bullet question or comment that you have about that material. That will help your course TA prepare for what it is that you'll talk about on Wednesday evenings. She'll get an idea of the kinds of questions that you might be wrestling with. And then on Wednesday evenings, you'll have a chance to peer review and look at one another's work. And then if you do decide to make any additional edits to those assignments, then you can then submit them to Google Classroom by Thursday evening for feedback from me. So that is the course syllabus, and that's on the About page. This stream page is where a lot of the heart of the class is going to take place. This is where announcements will be. This is where you'll find your assignments, etc. So this is a quick snapshot of Google Classroom. And again, we'll go over this even more in depth when we see each other Wednesday evening. So that is pretty much it. The last thing I'll leave you with is again just remembering the review, the time frame. Content is uploaded on Fridays. Submit any comments or questions that you have about that content by Tuesday. You'll have your writing lab on Wednesday where you'll be able to hand in your assignments for peer review. And then if you make any revisions, those are due by Thursdays to the Google Classroom. So that's the quick overview. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you and meeting you soon.